Hello guys, today I want to show you how to apply Instagram filters on your video call. So first thing we want to do, we want to open our Instagram application. And now we want to go to messages. And here you have a list of friends that you messaged before. So I'm gonna click on someone. For example, I'm gonna click on James. I see he's online. So I'm gonna click there. And now I'm gonna try to call him. So I'm gonna click on this camera icon here in the top right corner. And now on the left side, I have filters. So I'm gonna click there. And now at the bottom of the screen, I have many filters. So I can just play with them. I can choose one or another. Maybe this one, maybe this one. Depends what you like. You can choose anything. And also here at the bottom right corner, you have this search button. So you can click there and you can see like group effects, trending, humor, games, anything. You can apply any of these effects. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and goodbye.